Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my ultimate fudge cupcakes. These recipes are so, words can't even explain how good they are. Let's just get started. So you're going to place all your dry ingredients into a bowl. So that's flour, sugar, cocoa powder and bicarbonate of soda. And you're going to whisk that all through until it's all combined. If you want the full details of ingredients and quantities, they will be in the description box below. So once that's all combined, you're going to take your milk in a jug, add your oil, eggs, vanilla extract and golden syrup and whisk that all through. Now this recipe is so simple, it's just dry ingredients, wet ingredients, whisk them all up, add them together, it's that easy. And then this is Hannah, who was filming the video for me, insisted that she poured the wet ingredients in, so of course you have to do it from height. And once they're all in, you're going to whisk those through until they're combined. The reason I love this recipe is because you don't need an electric mixer or stand mixer or anything, you just whisk it all up in the bowl with one whisk. Now once that's all thoroughly combined, you don't want to over mix this, otherwise you'll get a chewy cupcakes. We're going to scoop it into your cupcake liners. Now this will make 12 cupcakes, sometimes it makes a little few more, but who can complain about more cupcakes? So I prefer to use an ice cream scoop, so scoop it up, wipe around the edges and then just pour that out into your cases. Once they're all filled, they're going to bake at 180 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes. Then you can top those off with a swirl of chocolate buttercream, and this is where they really start to get sexy. We're going to finish those off with some chocolate sprinkles, and I'm going to use a vegetable peeler to peel some white chocolate, and then you just finish these off and make them look amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.